Cashiers are considered as the busiest workers in the grocery store and work under the analysis of the public. They have to handle and scan thousands of items each day. Ideally, those items will all be within easy reach. However, the standard check stands and many stands can be too short or too tall for the cashier, requiring more reaching, bending, and twisting than desirable. Many of the workers are still in high-risk injury due to incorrect workstations and lack of employee education in basic biomechanical principles. As a subject for the assignment, we have studied the Cooperation Mart of Engineering Faculty, University Putra Malaysia, and found out that it is usually busy during lunch break within 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. We have studied the ergonomics assessment of the co-op workers during the peak hours, and we found out that the current design of the cashier's counter checkout is quite bad for their postures. Thus, we have highlighted three major problems that can be seen throughout the observation, such as repetitive movement, lifting and handling heavy objects, and awkward and static postures.
The sit-stand chair makes sitting time active time and gives the cashier freedom to move throughout the workday. The articulating pedestal is designed to engage leg, back and core muscle by allowing a wide range of motion in either sitting or leaning position. The airlift piston helps to change position as often as we like. The cashier can choose to sit, lean or stand anytime. Adjustable table allows the cashier to adjust the height according to his best working posture. This helps to reduce the awkward postures. Placing keyboards on support that adjust in height, horizontal distance and tilt to keep Work with preferred zone. This helps to reduce awkward postures. The next design suggestion is to have adjustable display stand height. Having the cash register display at slightly or below eye level helps to reduce eye strain. The final recommendation is to provide an adjustable height bag stand. This prevents the cashier to bend all the time to collect the plastic bags.